Welcome to Babonga's channel. Let's make a colorful chakra wall hanging or wind chime. We're gonna need 9 or more pierced shells, so use hammer and nail carefully, not to break the shell and not to harm your fingers. After this, we have to paint our shells with the chakra order of colors, and this order is red, orange, yellow. Mix like that so there are no clear lines, and then green, that you're going to mix a little bit with a yellow, and then light blue, and then dark blue. Again, try and mix so there are no clear lines, and finally purple. And this is how it should look. Now do the same thing for all the shells and let them dry. As I said before, we need 9 shells of the same or different sizes, some string, and wooden beads with large holes. We start by tying a knot for the lower and largest shell. Cut the excess string and use a bead to hide the knot. And this is how it looks so far. Now for the next shell, we do the same thing. But the important thing here is to keep the distance from the first shell not too long or too short. This might take some time, but it's important. Only after you're sure about the distance from the first shell, make a second knot to secure the shell in place, and then again use a bead to hide the knot. Repeat for the third and last shell. And of course, we need at least 3 rows of colorful shells. Use a wooden rod or a piece of driftwood, tying or gluing the strings on it, and there you have it. Wall hanging or wind chime with chakra colors.